Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tokir Abid speaking from the floor of I-CET Academy. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. And the topic of speech is Father's Day. When I was newly born, he lifted me over his head. He wanted to see me higher. When I joined school, he appreciated me, my even little success, and encouraged me. When I got success in examination, he proudly told it to all. He wanted to see my name more bright. When I joined college, he gave me confidence, and whenever he saw me, his eyes and face shone with a rare light I couldn't see on any other face. When I got medal at my higher studies, he invited all in a party and told about my success. In fact, throughout my life, he was with me side by side. Sometimes I felt as if he was my shadow. Yes, my respected teachers and my fellows, I am talking about the most valuable and precious relation, my father. शफ़क़त का जो मुकाम है बाप उसका नाम है. शफ़क़त का जो मुकाम है बाप उसका नाम है. हर पल जिसे सलाम है बाप उसका नाम है. एक साइबा है नूर का छाया घनी है वो. एक साइबा है नूर का छाया घनी है वो. जो लाए के एहतराम है बाप उसका नाम है. My father, who never gets older because he has to look after me. He lives for his family and the pleasure of all. He bears pain but provides relief to all of us. One who provides protection is my father. One who has no objection is my father. At my success he greets before others. At my grief he treats before others. One who has no rejection is my father. He smiles to look at when I get prize. He admires my achievement and does it so nice. One who has unique selection is my father. Sir, the relation of father is a single relation who has no competition to his children. Instead, he wants to see them at a higher place than that of him. He earns throughout his life but never grumbles. He regards his struggles as his duty and faces the hardships with a broader courage. No doubt he is a great gift of God for his family. Father works like laborer from dawn to dusk. He fulfills different needs of his family in different ways, and even in the evenings, he enters at home with a smile on his face and forgets all his problems in the company of his children. In fact, we should give a great value to him in the reward of his selfless services. My father is gift. The Lord bestowed me. My father is a treasure. The Lord bestowed me. He nourished me at the time when he was in power. He supported me at the time by providing me a tower. He was young at the time when I was a little child. He purchased all that for me, whatever I desired. My father is a diamond. The Lord bestowed me. Sir, father is a relation who guarantees the best future of his children. God has granted him so many qualities for his family. He is truthful, he is honest, he is loving, he is caring, he is loyal, he is a guide, he is a shelter, he is a protector, and all in all, he is everything which ensures the welfare for entire family. Love and care of a father is as pure as honey. He is as strong as mountain and as fragrant as rose. Proud itself feels proud to discuss the beautiful relation of father. At the end, I just want to say that we should take a lot of care to our father. We shouldn't hurt his feelings. We shouldn't tease him mentally. I pray for the long life of my father and also pray for his sound health. May Allah always keep his dense shadow over my head. Ameen. Thank you very much.